In this video, we are learning about a notification, a local notification in Android Studio. Now for this, I will be created one class, My App Notification Manager class. Inside this class, we have to be create one variable for context, and we have to be create variable for this class instance variable, and other we have to be create a notification manager compact and notification manager variable. After this, we have to be initialize this variable. For this, I can create a constructor for this class, and we have to be provide one parameter like context, and we can initialize the notification manager and notification manager compact. Now after it, I will be created a method that will be return the instance of this class, and for this we have to be uh, return the instance of this class, my notification manager. And after this, I will be created one method for this, registering the channels of the notification. For this, we have to be create a notification channel, and we have to be provide this channel ID, channel name, and importance for this notification. After it, we have to be set the description to this notification, and we have to be create one variable like notification manager, and we have to be get a system service dot notification manager, and we have to be create notification channel, and we have to be provide a notification channel. Now I will be created one my application class. Here inside it, I will be call this notification registering the notification. For this, I will be go inside this my notification, my application. For this, I will be extended with applications, and you have to be set context and set the create variable my notification manager, and we have to be get instance here. And after getting instance, we can call this method register notification channel. For this, I will be registering two notification. For this, one is a news notification and one is the message notification. Here is the notification ID. We have to be provide a string for the notification channel ID and channel news name, and we have to be provide a description for this. Same here for the second one, and we can get context here, and we can get activity, and we can create a trigger notification application. And inside the minor app notification manager, we have called these methods, various method for the simple notification, for the bigtext notification, big picture notification, or add action button notification with custom views, and other like message input. Okay, so now one by one we will be seeing this video. Now for this, we go into the my app notification manager, where we can here we I will be created this method called the trigger notification. For this, I will be here we can provide some parameter like class, target notification activity, channel ID, title, text, big text, and all other stuff. Now for this, we have to be inside this, we have to create intent, and we have to provide context and the target activity, which will be go through on clicking the notification. For this, we have to be set this flags, and we have to be create one pending intent, and we have to be provide this pending intent to intent request code context, and the for the newer devices, you have to be right pending intent or flag mutable. And so if you don't provide this flag, then it's written the error. You have to be specify this, and after this we have to be create a notification compact builder, and we have to be provide this small icon, large icon, content title, content text, and all of stuff, and text style, big text style, and we have to be set priorities, and we have to be set context content intent. For this, we have to be created this pending intent, and we have to provide pending intent, and we have to be provide channel ID. According to this channel ID, it will be spent. Now or to cancel or not, and we have to be notification manager compact, and we have to be notify this notification. Here is the same, and inside the next will be also same. Okay, so now let's see the application, run the application inside my device and see what is happening. Now you see can the application has been building, and see Okay, so now inside this application, I will be in the main activity. I will be created buttons, four or more buttons for this the simple application, and on clicking event on these buttons, we can trigger the notification. For this, you can see here the buttons, and here I will be specify the buttons, and on clicking event on these buttons, here you can see I can create a get application instance and the trigger notification with backstack. Here we see the what this method call. For this, I will be changing this method call, and for this trigger notification. Okay, so now we run the applications and see the notification has been showing. So for this, we can provide title, we can provide channel IDs and text, big text. For this, I will be using some codes like auto cancel or not. We have to be pass the flags for this notification. Now the application is running and I will be trigger the notification from the first button send notification, and the notification has been showing. Now you see the big text style notification. It will college it will expanded. You can cancel it, and on clicking event it will be going through the this activity. On back it will be close the application. Now will we see the backstack application inside which after click opening the application you have to be go through the back activity. For this in the my app notification manager I will be created one method trigger notification with backstack. For this we have to be create a above the most of things are similar, but we have to be create a task stack builder, and we have to be get create this task stack builder. For this add next enter with parent stack, and we have to be this method call, and after it I will be put extra. For this we have to be passing the parameter not all other things are same. Now I will be changing this method inside my main activity. Trigger notification with backstack. Now, now you see this the backstack notification has been triggered. Now I will be running the application now further and see the what is happening with this. It's opening a parent activity. Now I will trigger the notification. Here the notification is triggered. Now I will be closing this application. If the notification is the application is closed, and I will be starting this application with this notification, the application will be go through the its parent activity. I will be specify this parent activity for this main activity. Now you see the application has been closed, and now I run the application further. Here you can see the empty activity will be open. Here you see that I will be providing a parent activity as a main activity too. Now I run the applications, sending a notification, and on opening it. Now we see the other method like update notification with big picture. For this we have to be create some intent, some pending intent, and you have to be provide the spending intent channel ID, and also for this we have to be provide one style. For this we have to be provide style and big picture style, and we have to be provide image as a bitmap. For this I will be created bitmap factories and decode resource. From this we can get resource, and we can provide the drawable this drawable. And now you see here inside this the my app notification manager class. Here you can provide a text set and you can notify. For this I will be created buttons and update notification. For this we can update notification with the big pictures we can call. And now you see I will be run the applications and update notifications. Here the notification has been updated and with pictures. Okay, so now it's collapsed and it expanded. Now I clear this notification. Now we can see the notification with a remote input. For this, we have to be create on clicking. We have to be trigger notification with message input. For this, I will be created this method inside my app notification manager class. Here I can create a intent pending intent for the normal clicking on the activity. After this, I will be created one remote input. For this, we have to be provide some key to it for the getting data inside this, and we have to be set label to it for this send message label, and we have to be we can call this method also this to call method all free from input and build. After building this remote input, we have to be create one activity intent. Inside this, we can provide some data also. Like we have to be pass some data via the intent, and we can pass the name of and name will be the next, and we have to be set flags and we have to create pending intent, and inside this pending intent in the above classes you can see this we have to be getting activity inside this we can get we have to be provide one uh, get broadcast. For this, I will be in the intent, activity intent. We have to provide not activity. We have to be provide one receiver, message receiver. I will be created message receiver class, and inside this message receiver class, we have to be extended broadcast receiver, and we have to be override this on receive method and on the receiving this message. Here we can data via this intent. Now for this, we have to be create bundle and remote input dot get result from intent. And inside this result is not null. If the not null, then we can get the that sequence. And we have to be provide this key. The key is here inside this my notification manager. We can create this key, and after applying this key, we can get data inside this message receive class. And after getting this, we have to be logged it in the data and yeah, we have to be cancel this notification via this method. We have to be cancel notification. I will be created cancel notification method inside this map notification manager, and we can call this method. The canceling notification it will be returning data. So now we can go to my notification manager, and here you can see the we can create a pending intent now. After creating this pending intent, you can now see the we can use this broadcast receiver. It receives the when the edit text the message has been sent. Now we can create one action for this, and we can provide this reply pending intent, and we have to be provide add remote input. We have to be remote inputted, and we have to provide one icon. So now after adding this action, we have to be add action to the notification complex. For this, we can add method add action, and we can provide this action, and we can notify it. Now see this how it's going on. Now here see you see the the application has been started, and inside it I will be trigger the notification in the third button remote input notification. The notification has been shown and it shows the reply button. After clicking on the reply button, we can reply on this message. And here you see this, the message has been replied. After it, the message will be EFF, and we can pass data like Dinesh and EFF. We are logged into this message receiver class. Like I'll be, we get name, and here we can get the message. Now it is simple. Here the located will be showing, and we can reply other also. If you want to reply only one shot, then you can change to this intent from my notification manager. Here you have to be provide a pending intent dot flag one shot dot flag one shot. Then it will be replying the only one time. So I will be not showing you. You can try it. your way. Now, after this, you have to be seeing the adding action button inside this activity. Here, all of things are same, and here you can understand about this all of things in. And now I'll be created one. We have to be add action buttons. For this, we have to be add action, and we have to be icon, and we have to be provide title and the pending intent for the play pending intent and cancel pending intent. Here we've been created this pending intent, and we can create an activity. You can create a broadcast for this also, like get broadcast, and you can create broadcast in the previous message receiver. You have to be specified inside this main my Android Note manifest file. You have to be this permission, and you have to be specify this message receiver. You just write down these three lines inside it. I will be forgot about in the previously. Now you have to be add actions. I will be add two actions, play and cancel. I run this application, and I will be show you. Here you can see the fourth button, I add action button notification, now notification and between trigger and play and cancel button. I'll be clicking on this event. It's starting this activity according to we created this pending engine. Now it's starting. Okay, so now in the other view, I'll be created custom views for this. For this created, we have to create this custom view. For this we have to be use the remote views. For this I will be created remote view for the collapse mode and remote view for the expanded mode. For this you have to be create and you have to be provide some layout files, and you have to be after you can set text or you can on click event. For this we can first see the custom layout notification. Here this custom layout for the collapse mode, and here the custom layout for the text view and image view. Text view and image view for the expanded view. Now we can provide a text according to inside my notification managed via this remote view set text, and we can provide a ID to the text, and we can provide a title which we want to be provided. And on this custom layout notification in the inside this we can create the collapse mode. Inside this, we can create a click me button. Inside on this button, we can provide a broadcast receiver on clicking event on this application. Now let's see how we can provide it. For this, you have to be create intent, set flag, and pending intent. After it, we have to be create intent for the close button, and we have to be provide some broadcast receiver class. I will be created if broadcast is on click receiver, and on receive method we can log this the button has been clicked, and on click receiver we have to be specify inside the mine Android manifest file. Here is the receiver, and in my notification manager we can provide into intent and close button dot set flag. We can provide a flags to it, and after it we can create pending intent, and we can get broadcast, and we provide the close button pending intent, and we can provide a flag for this multiple flag. After this you have to be provide some adding this method to it. Set style will be decorated custom view style, and set custom text view for the content view for this remote collapse view, and content big context view for the remote view expand view, and notified. Now see the run the application, and now see it's working or not. Now here you can see click button. I will be clicking on this custom view, and on click notification. It's showing the custom notification inside it. Now you see here the notification has been showing in the expanded view, and I will collapse it. It will be showing only button. On we have provided a broadcast receiver for this button, and now on clicking this button, the broadcast receiver has been triggered. On clicking this broadcast receiver, we logged it. The button has been clicked. Now I click the next time. Here you can see the log there. Okay, now thank you for the the viewing this video and subscribe this channel for if you like this and helpful. I will be providing uh, the code of this year inside my GitHub, and I will be providing link to this my WhatsApp channel, and I will be providing this code GitHub code link inside my WhatsApp channel. So now you can see here and you can follow the video and you can see the code and set up yours own. Thank you.